Hello guys, today I'm gonna show you how you can start the washing cycle wirelessly in Bosch Dishwasher SMV. So, in the first step, open the Home Connect application. If you want to know how to connect the dishwasher to your app, you can find the other video on our channel. Then go to the tab on your dishwasher. Now you can manage the program, the heavy for example. Select your program, the additional functions that you wish, like a speed perfect, the extra dry, half load. You can also set the delay for your cycle start, and after that just tap on the start button. I have opened the door so I cannot do that, and you can also add the program to the favorites. That's it. Thanks for watching, leave us a like or a comment, and goodbye.